Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up auto update on your Google Play Store. You want all your apps to be automatically updated once there is a new update out. How do you set up your auto update? What you need to do is click on your Google Play Store, and the next thing to do is click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, once you click on this icon, the next thing you need to do is click on your settings. Once you click on your settings, now click on network preferences. Now after you click on network preferences, you're going to see this auto update here. You can see, click on auto update, and here you can set up your auto update. Is it over Wi-Fi and mobile? Once you click on this, it's going to automatically update once there is a data. Once you click on this, it's going to update with limited amounts of data. Now you can also click on any one that you want, and you can stop don't auto update here, so you can choose anyone that you want from this option. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.